वज़ीर आला पंजाब मरियम नवाज ने चीन में पंजाब बिजनेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब में कहा कि पाकिस्तान और चीन के दहाइयों पुराने मजबूत और बरादराना ताल्लुकात हैं। दौरे में IT, ज़रात, AI समेत मुख्तलिफ शोबों में सरमायाकारी पर गुफ्तगू हुई। मौसमियाती तब्दीलियों से निमटने के लिए चीन की पॉलिसियाँ अहम हैं। चीनी ताजरों को पंजाब में सरमायाकारी के लिए सहूलियात फराहम करेंगे। चीनी हुकूमत की जानिब से मेहमान नवाजी पर बेहद शुक्रगुजार हैं।
That the warmth and hospitality extended by the Chinese government, the Chinese leadership, have been a true reflection of the strong bond and shared commitment to progress between our nations. The Chinese nation are winning the hearts and minds not by flexing its military muscle. IT, AI, machine learning, and not just in the country but the world. I have come to with an invitation that includes special incentives and possibilities for Chinese businessmen to invest in Punjab. We have already been overwhelmed with the response and are progressing discussions with some of these companies even before the visit is over. Punjab's potential as a destination for international investment has been highlighted today. We have invited Chinese businessmen, Chinese businesses to explore opportunities in our special economic zones. We have requested the leadership of China to help us develop an advanced air quality management. Renewable energy remains a top priority for us. Together, we will seize opportunities and work towards success. These partnerships will create new economic opportunities and ensure sustainable progress for our province.